What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's your boy, Lil Country 650. Today, we are going to be doing a lot of cool stuff. So the first thing is we're gonna stay tuned, though, guys. Please subscribe. Okay, so guys, we're gonna be doing a lot of random games, and to be doing a lot of cool stuff. Okay, so on the first one, it's Animal Company, and yeah, so we're gonna be joining my fan code. It's Little Country. Or should I put Elias? Wait, thing? Yeah. Should I just put LIL63? LIL 3. Okay.
Okay, maybe.
And that stands for Little Country 63. Okay. Okay. So what should I do first, guys? Mm, 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 mm. Okay. Wait. Okay. Chat. No. This. Oh heck no, that's pure dark. Chat. Chat does admit that there's ghosts in the game and I know walk around you. Okay. There should be so many. No, no, there's a ghost in there. There's a ghost in there. Oh, chat, there's actually a ghost. Guys, guys, watch, hold on. The yellow thing means that there's a ghost. Chat. Bro. Okay. Hold up. Hey. Okay. Whoa! Bro. How? We're gonna be doing crazy trick shots. Like, I'm only worth 3. Okay, you ready? So I'm gonna have a ton of cameras, right? Backpacky. We're gonna be doing crazy trick shots with cameras. I think I'm wasting my money, even though I have 2.33 million. I'm still wasting my money. Okay. So, guys, we're gonna be going all the This. Guys, hopefully none of my friends join the code. I mean, I love my friends and all. Yeah. I only had a little bit. Hold on. Do this, guys. Oh, dang, that's way off. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Okay. What the heck? Wait, hold on. Should I just jump and then... Wait, that was actually kind of getting close. No, my goodness. No. Okay. I need to hurry up and eat. Okay. Two more. Oh, okay. Three cameras left. Okay, you ready? Done. One. Wait. That was pretty easy. Step back, throw. Us. Chat, I'm ready to be a new chat. Me. Ah! Okay. So I'm gonna be. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna need a lot of goop to do this. Of course, I need the bag. Okay. Now I need some goop. Okay. Now that I'm on a cooldown, which is I think that's enough, chat. Texas. It's gonna take me a little bit. Okay. Okay. No. No. Help me, Daddy. I'm scared. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use different materials. Oh man, I missed. Okay. I'll go fast. So guys, we're just doing random stuff, so yeah. Fly away. That's me. Alright guys. Okay. Guys, if I remember the map, it should be at the island. Guys, if I remember the old map, I'm sure if I remember this. I don't know if it's the Jersey play. But you're always so rude. Here we go. Person. Okay. This looks like it's an optical illusion. But that I like this. It gives you just random money. Oh, I messed up. Oh no! Bad one of fuck. No! This has a got this, guys. Yeah, I got this. No! Goodbye. Yes, I did. No. What the heck? Oh, bird. Bird. A bird. Good hibernation. Oh, goodbye, guys. See you next video.